Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you how to use card control in the mobile banking app for your debit or credit card. First, you will want to open the LaughQ mobile banking app and log in. If you need to download our new mobile banking app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. If it is your first time using mobile banking, you can log in with the same username and password that you use for online banking. After logging in, click on the menu button at the top left of the screen and click on Card Control in the menu. If you have never used Card Control before, you will be prompted to download the Card Control app. Then click on Launch Card Controls. Now you will see your debit and/or credit card details. If you have multiple cards, they will display in this list. Select the card for which you would like to manage your control and alert preferences. Here, you can turn your card on and off with a switch. When your card is on, it will show a green icon in the top right corner. When your card is off, it will show a red icon. You can select controls and alerts to set various controls on your card, including the locations it can be used, what types of merchants the card can be used at, limit the types of transactions, and set spending limits for your card. Under Alert Preferences, you can set up alerts for your card, such as to receive an alert every time the card is used, an alert for specific types of transactions, and alerts for the preferences you set up, such as location and spending limits. Latest Transactions will show you all of the recent transactions on your card. Under Manage Card, you can add a shared card user and view any current users. With Card Control, you can be confident your accounts are always protected. Set the terms for where, when, and how your cards are used. Thank you for joining us.